Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to show cash on delivery only for Kuwait customers, right? So for this, I'm using the Advanced Cash on Delivery app from Shopify App Store. You can also install it from Shopify App Store. I also attached the app link in the description of this video. And after installing the app, you can open the app. So after installing the app, you go to open the app. Then you can see limit COD based on location. You can click on this configure button and you can enable the rule. Then you select your cash on delivery payment method. That's the first step. So you're selecting your cash on delivery payment method. And if you already added fee using our app, you can toggle on this and you can select your cash on delivery fees also, right? So I'm not added any fees, so I'm not selecting that. And you can see from this limit condition, you can select the location. And from the location, you can select the country. So we are toggling on this country. And from the condition, you can select allow COD for this country. And you are selecting the country. So we added Kuwait, right? So we are selecting Kuwait. You can also select multiple countries. So for example, you can also select Oman, right? That's also possible, right? I'm not selecting Oman now since our video is about how to show cash on delivery only for Kuwait. And after selecting it, you can save the changes. Right now the rule is active. Now we go to our store and we're adding a product to checkout. And we're clicking on buy now. You can see now the country is India, which cash on delivery is showing. But after filling an address, you can see I'm filling a full address of test. You can see cash on delivery is not available for India. And if I select Kuwait, so we can see this is Kuwait, and you can see for Kuwait cash on delivery is available. And if I give a coordinate, so you can see cash on delivery is still there. So this is how you can enable cash on delivery only for Kuwait. And if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and also attach the app link in the description of this video. Thank you.